Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining me. We have a new one from Tusk that I am super excited about. This is the Strike Billet foot peg. We designed this right here at Rocky Mountain with our R&D team. We went through a lot of different design options. We did a lot of strength and durability testing. I got to run a set of these that were prototype. We've had other riders that have raced pro nationals that were testing these for us. Very excited about the outcome. They're gonna offer a larger platform than most of your stock foot pegs that are out there. The cleats and the amount of traction that you're gonna get with these is phenomenal. There are gonna be options in either an anodized black or the silver version. And to know if we have one for your bike, it's very simple. On the product page, you just enter the year, make, and model. And if your bike shows up, that means they will fit it. But there's a couple unique features about these pegs that I am very excited for. So first of all, we talked about the strength and durability. These are made from a 70-75 billet aluminum, strong, very lightweight. One feature that I was a big advocate for is all these Tusk foot pegs have a 7-degree tilt up. And the reason for that is when you have just a slight tilt up with the foot peg mounted, it helps promote squeezing the motorcycle better. So I was an advocate for that, so very excited about that feature. The other thing that I love is the cleats that will come included with these. These cleats or pins are some of the grippiest that I have ever used. If you like a lot of grip on your foot pegs, you will love these. And what I also like is that these, compared to even titanium foot pegs that I've used, titanium foot pegs kind of dull up or they just lose, that really sharp edge fairly quickly. These, even after a lot of use, still maintain a very, very high level of grip, and they are replaceable. So if you do want to replace them after a certain amount of riding, you can do that. We even have a second pin option, which is going to be more of your traditional style pin that you've seen on a lot of aftermarket foot pegs, where it's just going to be a little bit wider, a little bit taller. Still offers good grip, but not going to be as grippy as what's going to come included on these. But overall, again, if you're shopping for a really good set of foot pegs, I feel like an aftermarket foot peg is one of the better upgrades that a lot of riders can make. They're lighter, better traction, larger platform, all the above. You need to check out the Strike. If you have questions or comments about these, leave those down below. We'll help to get those answered. And also, we do have the Edge billet foot peg for adventure bikes. Now, the Edge foot peg will come with the other pin option that I mentioned, but again, same thing for those. If you want to swap those out for these, you can buy either pin or either cleat set by itself. Click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com to grab you a set. It's a direct OEM replacement to yours. So you just take your stock foot pegs off, slap these on, you're gonna be good to go. We ship for free over 75 bucks. If you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products like the Strike Billet foot peg, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.